Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today we will pretend as if we are sleeping. Although some people make sounds when they sleep, for our meditation, we will remain silent. Begin by relaxing your whole body. Let it feel heavy, even heavier. Let it feel as if you are sinking into whatever is beneath you. How does a sleeping person breathe? Without making sounds, try to breathe as if you are asleep. Make your breathing long and lazy and full. Breathe nice and slow. When you're asleep, do you breathe mostly through your nose or your mouth? You might notice that when you release all of your air, there is a little pause before you breathe in again. Try to notice this for a couple breaths. Breathe out and notice the pause before you breathe in again. Let your body feel even more relaxed now, even more heavy. Try to make sure your eyes aren't tight or squinted. Relax your eyelids. Relax all the muscles around your eyes. If you were asleep, your body would feel soft and warm. Try to notice which parts of your body feel the warmest. Try to notice what parts of your body feel the softest or most relaxed. Just as if you were sleeping, begin to make up your own dreams. Make up a fantasy in your mind of something real or imaginary that you would love to dream about. Use the remainder of this meditation to dream, to rest, and take a well-deserved nap. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.